Yo, what's up YouTube? We're back for another shoot, and today I'm working with Miss Galandria. This is our first and second time working together. Second time, so we're a little familiar with each other. We're doing a sunset shoot on top of a parking garage, so looking to get some good photos. You want to give them your IG where they can locate you?
_love is Galandria.
All right, and I'll make sure to put that in the description so you can go and follow and find her. Yeah, I think we're gonna get some great content, so y'all stay tuned. It's coming.